Hey guys, it's Teacher Lily. Welcome back to my channel. Do you like my headband? I am super obsessed with headbands. It's my thing. Actually, I have a video. Check out my video on headband craziness. Anyway, today I'm actually making this video because I wanted to share my absolute favorite rewards right now, which are rewards that I make. They are in my Etsy shop, so I wanted to show you live or on video these different types of rewards that are laminated and they are magnets. Like I said, I actually make them according to what my students like. I've mentioned before that I don't usually tailor my rewards according to the actual lesson, but I tailor them more according to my students' personalities and what they like. I feel that they have so much more fun this way. They request rewards now that they know that I can pretty much make what they want. I've had a huge success, and I want to thank all of my customers who order from Etsy. You guys have been amazing, and I'm so happy that you like my product, my rewards. I know that a lot of people make their own rewards, but sometimes people just do not have the time or the patience or whatever that may be, and it's just a lot easier to order, have someone else make it for them. So I'm that person. I am happy to make rewards for you. I try to keep the cost very low. For me, it's not about making money. For me, it's helping teachers. If they like the rewards, they order. And I'm very happy with my customers. I'm very happy with my Etsy shop. I'm going to put a link down below for my Etsy shop. But really, I wanted to show you what it is that I have on there. I have tons. So first, I want to start with VIPKid, actual VIPKid rewards. What I have here, obviously, I have the crew. I have Meg and Mike. See, these are laminated rewards. They're pretty big. They're pretty big. So these are great for the whiteboard. And each of my reward sets have a title as well. So I have this one that says VIPKid Squad. So I put it right at the top. You can put it right at the top of your board. Sorry about the glare, guys. A lot of lighting in here. So I have Meg and Mike, and of course, it wouldn't be a squad without Dino. So I have Dino, green, blue, yellow, and of course pink. I think pink is my favorite. He's got like a crazy face. So this is the VIPKid Squad reward. Like I said, this is in my Etsy shop, so link down below. Also, you could always send me messages, and if you have like a specific request for a laminated magnet reward, you can send me a message on my Etsy, and if I can, I will make it for you. And maybe I will put it on my Etsy and sell it as an item. Who knows? But like I said, these are laminated and they have magnet. And they're lightweight because you can't have on a whiteboard really heavy magnets and really heavy rewards because they'll kind of like slide down. So these do not do that. So VIPKid Squad. Okay. I have some of the rewards that I have. I'm going to show you. They look smaller, but I have completely edited all of them, and I've made them bigger. As you can see, the VIPKid, they're pretty big. Pretty big laminate. Okay, so Frozen has been a very popular item in my Etsy. Frozen, the children like Frozen. I have the characters for Frozen here. Look, Elsa and Anna, and I have them both together, which is cute. Of course, Olaf, and I don't know the moose's name, but the kids know. My students know who it is, but here you go. Frozen. Yeah. So that one's very, very popular. The girls love it. So I have that. I also have my newest, latest addition is Peppa Pig. Oh my God, guys. You have no idea. I don't know. You need to ask your students if they like this, because they are obsessed. They are. Even the boys know Peppa Pig. Okay, even the boys know, but the girls absolutely go crazy. So I have Peppa Pig here in different positions, in different outfits. She's wearing a little dress, and then this one is riding a bicycle. This is like a little ballerina, a princess ballerina, and this one's a little fairy. See how big they are? They are big. So like I said, I'm going to show you a couple that they don't look big, because originally that's the size that I made them, but I've edited all of them and they're all about this size as Peppa Pig. Before I move on, I wanted to share the last one that I made for the holidays, which is to decorate a tree. Okay, so you want to put this one this way. We have the star. I know I'm all over the place with this, and again, I'm sorry about the glare. I'm just trying to give you an idea. It does have the title as well. This one has the title, so it says Merry Christmas on here. You don't have to use it, but it comes with it. Okay, and then you have the little balls that decorate your tree. It comes with 6 big ornaments, so they're easy to see. One just fell on the floor, but you get it. I dropped it. Oops. So that one's super cute. Again, it's in my Etsy shop, guys. And let's see. So now, another popular. Every order, it seems that every order that I get on Etsy includes the Disney princess. And it has a Snow White, Elsa from Frozen, the Little Mermaid, Belle, Sleeping Beauty, Cinderella. They all, and of course with the title, like I said. Okay. So I get a lot of orders for those, for the girls, but lately I've been getting a lot of orders for boys. It's not so easy for boys, but I have a few. I have the ice cream reward, which is extremely popular for boys and girls. This is the only one actually that does not have a title, because this one has 8 pieces, 8 different flavor, different color ice creams. So we do not have a title for this. So they look kind of realistic, these. Yummy. The kids love ice cream, boys and girls. So this is a good one for boys as well. The next one for boys, yay! Spider-Man. Very popular. Again, I get orders for these a lot. These, again, they're a little bit bigger now on my Etsy shop. But here you go, Spider-Man. It's Spider-Man in different positions. Okay, again with the title. Next, this is another one that I actually, in every order that is placed, they order this, and that is Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty in different positions and different outfits. I love Hello Kitty. It's one of my favorites. So, like I said, you get a title with it, and you get different positions and different outfits. Baby Shark. Now, Baby Shark, you know that's super popular, Baby Shark. I have edited these. It has Mommy Shark, Baby Shark, Grandma Shark, Grandpa Shark. I don't know. Yeah, Sister Shark. It has everybody Shark, the whole family. Do you see how small these are? These are mine. I made it. This was the first one that I made, so these are small. The ones that you'll get, they're much bigger. Like you saw all the other ones, they're much bigger, but they're super cute. They're the same ones. It's a bigger title and bigger sharks. I love these things. Soon I'll be adding new things to my Etsy. I will let you know. You'll get a notification when I add new things that are not only laminate, but also stuff that has to do with teaching. Another one of a super favorite with my students is the Dino Star. Dino Star magnets. These do not have a title, and I'm going to explain why. You actually get a lot of stars with these. So that's great. So you don't need a title for stars. But you do get 12 stars. Over here, I think I'm missing one. But you get 12 stars. Yeah, cute, super bright. Dino Face, super cute. And these are a good size. It's a good size for the whiteboard. Dino Star, Dino Star. I don't know about you guys, but when I give my students rewards, I do a little song and dance. Like with Spider-Man, I'm like, Spider-Man, Spider-Man. Every time they get something. The same with the Dino Dollar. Here's the Dino Dollar. Okay, so these are not magnets because it's money. You know, play money, pretend money. These come with 12 Dino Dollars. They are not magnets. They do not have a title because... So, I'm always... This one is... See? It has Dino because they're Dino Dollars. I made these and I laminate them and I sell them on my Etsy. And every time a student gets money, I'm like, money, 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 money. They already know it. They already know it. They sing it before I do. I know, I'm a little crazy. So here's another one that I wanted to show you. These are pretty big as well. I'm going to show you. These are for boys and the boys love it. Let me show you. Lego superheroes. You have one villain here, which is the Joker. So my students know their names and everything. So you have Captain America, Batman, Flash, the Joker, Superman, and Iron Man, and of course the title. So another boy one. Another boy one that I have is Avengers, but these are little baby Avengers. They're not like the adult Avengers. And this one also is a little bigger in my Etsy shop now. But here they are, little baby Avengers. I have a lot of boy students and I need to keep them happy. I need to keep them entertained. And these are things that they've asked for. So you might have students that have asked you for things like this. Or if you're looking for ideas and you don't know, I know it's hard for boys, especially with girls. It's not so hard because you have the Hello Kitty and you have the princesses and you have Frozen. There. The next one is Pikachu. Pikachu, let me show you. This is another one in my Etsy shop that is much bigger now. It is much bigger, but I didn't change the price, so don't worry. It even includes a little pet, a little Pikachu detective in here. One Pikachu detective. This is Pikachu in different positions. Pikachu, and of course the title. So, I wanted to share with you my latest rewards for my students, and I also wanted to let you know that all of these rewards are available on my Etsy shop. And again, I will leave the link below. Should you have any special requests, let me know and I will tell you if I can do it or not. I'm gonna be honest, but if it's like this, laminated magnet whiteboard rewards, that's a mouthful, then it's possible. I will try my best to fulfill your wishes. Anyway, guys, I really want to thank you for taking out the time to watch this video. I hope that this helped. I hope it gave you ideas, and I'm here to help. Again, link in the bottom, link below. Thank you. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.